Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to delete WooCommerce from WordPress in 2025, a beginner's guide. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. First off, open up your browser. Once you've opened up your browser, simply log on to wordpress.com and simply head over to your website. Once you're on your website, simply select the dashboard option of WordPress, which is clearly on your screen at the top left. So go ahead and click on this. And once you've clicked on this, just go through the list of items here, like the post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugin, users, tools, and settings, as well as the option to collapse your menu. So on the dashboard, you can see all of this here. It's simply highlighted, and all you need to do is just go ahead and click on where we have plugin, and then go ahead and select installed plugins. So once you've clicked on install plugins, you're going to see the list of all the plugins you have on your computer for your website. Most plugins are natively stored on your computer, while others are stored on a cloud drive, which I'm hoping you know. All right, so go ahead and select the plugin and then click on deactivate, which is the option to deactivate the all-in-one WordPress migration tool. So you could simply deactivate that, which also helps with WooCommerce. So to deactivate WooCommerce, it's going to follow the same steps. All you need to do is just go ahead and select WooCommerce. Go ahead and select WooCommerce, and once you've clicked on WooCommerce on your screen, just simply click on the delete option. So we're going to be deleting the plugin for WooCommerce from our device, and just click on OK as the local host says, "Are you sure?" So go ahead and delete it, and you'll see that the plugin has actually been removed. So WooCommerce has been successfully deleted from our list of plugins. Now, if you were to try and add WooCommerce back, how does that work? Just simply head back to the add new plugins tab on the plugins menu. So we have installed, we have add new, and we have editor. So go ahead and click on add new, and you'd be taken to the page where you can add your new commerce, add your WooCommerce back, and simply search for WooCommerce. And go ahead and click on install to reinstall the WooCommerce onto your device using the keyword WooCommerce. Now also download the all-in-one WordPress migration and backup plugin. This would help you get back all of your information of your websites, such as your exports, such as your media, your posts, your code, and just go ahead and select what you'd like to export out of your website uh, onto the cloud storage, and then you just need to click on export to. So when you click on export to, you'd be shown where you can export your files to, and most of it is mainly Google Drive, PC Loud, I believe that's PC Cloud, WeDraw file. You can even export it as a file onto your device, as I said earlier. There's many options. You could even have it in your Dropbox. You could also have it on OneDrive. There's a lot of options for storing that, safely storing your stuff, and just simply select the option you wish to use, and it's gonna archive some of your plugins, and then the download size would be shown for your local host. As you see here, I selected the option to save it as a file, so it's going to be downloading onto my computer. And the file size varies upon your website depending on how much content is on your website. So just go ahead and see if you can save it. And that's how easy it is to make a backup to your stuff on WooCommerce. Now, a better way of backing up is to click on the backup option and click on create backup. And then it's going to archive the files again. It's kind of like the same process, but this time you're backing up to your cloud storage or to WordPress itself, and you can use the plugin to simply restore or download your files. And if you were to click on the reading option, you can read through all of the contents of your website by just simply clicking on lists. All right, guys. So the option to restore would also bring back information for your website, kind of like the things you've had going on your site. So guys, those are the couple of ways you could easily save the content of your WordPress account, such as your WooCommerce and stuff like that. So if you head back to plugins now, you can easily delete the WooCommerce plugin from your device without having to lose any of your data, as saving and storing your data is quite important before removing a plugin, as most things are linked to your plugins, so the plugins must be secure. Alright guys, so those are the couple of ways you can go about saving your plugins before deleting, and that's how you can easily delete. Just go ahead and click on the deactivate, so right click and then select the option to deactivate your plugin before you now delete the plugin. So it's always important to just deactivate first before you go ahead and remove the plugin from your website. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this.